Hey everyone, today I am doing a tutorial. Haven't done one of these in a while, but this tutorial is going to be on how to put on thumbnails to your videos on mobile if you don't know how. So, if you're sick of people not coming to your videos because there's no thumbnails and the content is great, but I can't fix your content, you'll have to do that on your own, but thumbnails, if you want to do it, you're going to need a picture thingy that you can make online or something. But you can go find that for yourself, or you can just put like some random picture that you know and edit it with. But in order to do that, you're going to need Thumbnail Maker for videos. I know it's on iOS, but if it's on Android, then you can find out. But I won't leave any links for this. You're going to have to search this by yourself since I'm too lazy. So what you do, like if you have your picture ready, is you go to your video, you press the pencil in the corner. Then after that, you can, if you have comment issues, you can like turn them on and off, and you can change your name and description in case you don't want to go to regular YouTube to do that. But this is where you want to go to. You press custom thumbnail, and here you go. But before you do all that, you have to go to here. If you don't have a channel art, you can do that and all these. But you're gonna go to Thumbnail Maker, and you go to here. And yes, I have lots of random photos, but here, let's pick this. It'll load the picture, and here you go. You can put in a text saying test, and here you go. See, like you could change it to this. There is others, but you can't really do it, but here's a Pokemon one, and there's Fortnite, I guess, and Pro, and before. They kind of changed it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So we're going to do it live, so we'll put it right here. And there's your example. If you want like stickers, you can go to here, or I think another photo you can stick in. There's a lot of things that you can use. So after that, you press over here. It says saved, but it doesn't mean anything. You just press save right here, save picture. If you want to get rid of the watermark, you either have to pay for it or you have to watch an ad. It says upload to YouTube, but I've never tried it, and I think it doesn't work. So after you save it, you go out of here if you want to, and if it doesn't work, then go back. After that, you have to go to here, and here's your picture. You just press select, and it should save. And if it has issues, that means it's either the phone not compatible of doing it, or there's something wrong with YouTube Studio. So that is how you set a thumbnail to your video. Thanks for enjoying, everyone. See ya.